This is me January of 2023, and this is me 6 months later. This is everything I did to change my face, or Looksmaxxed as people like to call it. The first thing I did was I kept my stress low. Stress plays a huge factor in your mental and physical health. I kept my stress low using mindfulness. I can make a whole video about mindfulness and how you're not your thoughts and emotions, but we'll save that for a future video. But understand that stress impacts every aspect of your life. It impacts how you show up for yourself. I kept my stress low using meditation and yoga. Now, a couple meditation teachers I recommend, Loch Kelly, Adi Shanti, yours truly. You can see my meditations on YouTube. Please check them out. It makes me do my meditation deep voice. And people say it's calm, so hope it helps. The second thing I did was heal my gut. Now, as you can notice in the first picture, I had a lot of acne compared to how much acne I have now. And in my transformation picture, there's a reason for that. If you have acne, it's usually due to stress and what's going on inside your body. I had so many gut issues. I had IBS, I had colitis, and I basically suffered these issues my entire life. And the way I healed my gut was the first thing I did was I cut out processed foods. Now, how do you know if food is processed? If something you eat has 1 million ingredients in it, meaning it's not a whole food, meaning like 1 or 2 ingredients really, it's processed. And ultra processed foods, McDonald's, takeaways, all that shit, ultra processed foods. Those microwavable dinners, processed foods. Cut that shit out. Eat fruits, vegetables. If you are going to eat meat, I personally avoid eating meat, but I know that people do well on the carnivore diet. Try grass-fed beef and fresh salmon. I personally went pescatarian. Basically that means you eat fish, but you don't eat other meats. So I ate fish and vegetables. Just choose what you like and notice how you feel better. Don't always reach for the cookie and the cupcakes. Eat for how you feel. I promise you will feel better. And you don't have to be a savage with this. As long as 80% of your diet is clean foods, you can give yourself a break. Have the cookie and the milkshake every now and then. 3. Move your body every single day. I went to the gym 5 times a week. Now, going to the gym was great for my mental health. Not just the physical benefits, but the mental benefits alone was great. If you don't like lifting weights, no problem. Run, go swimming, go wall climbing, take a walk at least, do something. Don't just sit inside on your phone all day. Your body was meant to move. We weren't meant to sit at a desk for 9-12 hours of the fucking day. Number 4, get a skincare routine. I used to just wash my face with soap and water twice a day, and that was it. Those were the days. Skin experts say you really need only 4 things for a good skincare routine. A moisturizer, a cleanser, a retinoid of some sort, or a serum, and sun cream. Do this morning and night and watch your skin change. 5, turn off your phone and spend time in nature. Getting off social media helped me stop comparing my life to other people. Instead of going on my phone and doom scrolling, which is just making me feel shit about myself, I turned it off and tried to get as much time outside in nature and the sun as much as I can. Whenever you see nature, it's amazing neurochemically. Whenever your brain sees trees, sees life, it calms you down. Honestly, take a walk outside in a park and just watch how you feel better afterwards. Okay, now I won't lie, this wasn't easy. Looksmaxxing or changing your transformation took consistency, but I didn't do it to become better looking. I did it because I love myself enough to at least try to help myself. My health was messed up, my appearance was messed up, and it just put me at a bottom low point. And so I took what human spirit I had in me left and gave it my all. Now you can do this too. So I wouldn't recommend going, 0 to 100 if you do none of the things I mentioned. Instead, why don't you just try doing one thing? I recommend keeping your stress low. Why don't you pick up meditation and just see what impact that makes on your life? Over time, you can integrate the rest. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more. Peace.